Let's integrate your Twitter developer account into SocialBeeHub. To start, go to Google and search for X Developer Portal. Then click Get Started Now. Enter your business-related description, accept the agreement and policy, and click Submit. Next, go to Project and Apps. Click on Default Project, then click Setup. Choose your app permissions, type of app, and app info. Enter your website URL and callback URL, redirect URL, and click Save. Now, temporarily copy your client ID and client secret. Go to the Keys and Tokens section and click Regenerate API Key and Secret. Copy and save them safely in a notepad. Then click Regenerate Access Token and Secret, and also save those details. Once done, click Save. Now go back to SocialBeeHub, open Integrations and click Connect Twitter. Paste the API key secret, access token and access token secret, then click Connect. Finally, go to the Integrated Accounts section. Here you'll see your Twitter developer account successfully integrated.